Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 30 of the Practice What I Preach series, and in this video I'm finally going back to some heavy deadlifting. So I'm deadlifting, I work up to 120 here for sets of 2 to 3, so that's just going to play in the background as I make this commentary. So what did I want to talk about today? So what I wanted to say is when you come to and meet a health professional, best thing for you to do is to be 100% honest. So as as I've been practicing for, over 10 years, and I've studied for, 4 years, part of our degree is actually figuring out how people lie, and we learn how people lie. So when you come in and you make up some BS about, how this happened or why this happened or what you're feeling, in the back of our mind, we kind of know that you're lying to us, and we can figure that out, and we know ways to kind of get the truth to come out of you. So to save both of us the hassle of, lying to each other and making the conversation very uncomfortable, it's probably best just to, start with the truth from the get-go. There's levels to it though. Don't be too truthful to the point where it's like kind of uncomfortable for both of us, but just give like a rough kind of, just be truthful. That's the main thing. Don't lie to us, because we know when you're lying, and it just kind of sours the relationship that we have. And if you don't feel comfortable telling us the truth, then find another practitioner, another health professional that you are comfortable telling the truth to. We're just here to help you, so we can't help you unless you share and you're comfortable with us, and then we can both help each other get better. So that's just my tip for today. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Have a good day or night, and if you like what I'm doing, please consider liking and subscribing the videos, and I will continue to pump out these content. See you guys soon. Take care.